Hi, this is Lalita. Welcome to our channel Easy to Maths. Okay, let us start. The topic is trigonometry. Already in previous videos, I explained the introduction to trigonometry and trigonometric table. The continuation of the sums now we will check. In this class, I explained all models I covered in trigonometry. Okay, without skip, complete video you'll be check it. And these questions they given in betterment exam even 2 days before the CBSE second board exam it's completed. In that betterment, which questions they given in trigonometry, that sums I am explaining now. So I hope we are clear how important they are. So see the first question. In triangle ABC, right angle is at A. If cos B is equal 1 by 4, then cot B how much? One right angled triangle. See, right angled triangle. Right angle is at A. So here I am taking A. It is B. It is C. What he given? Cos B is equal to how much? 1 by 4. What is the formula for cos B? Adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to 1 by 4. That means adjacent side is 1, hypotenuse is 4. According to B, basing on B, we have to consider what is opposite side, what is adjacent side. Let's come to here, basing on B, what is adjacent side? Which is touch to B, that is known as adjacent. How much it is? Adjacent is 1 and hypotenuse is 4. Hypotenuse is always clear. I hope you know. Only opposite side and adjacent sides will change, but hypotenuse is always fixed. Yes, come to here, but we require the third side of this triangle. How can you find the third side of the triangle? When it is right angled triangle, we can go to Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse? BC is hypotenuse. 4 square is equal to 1 square and the other side we don't know. I am assuming that is x. X square. Okay, that is x square. Now 4 square means 16. 1 square, it's 1 is x square. Plus 1, I am transposing to this side. Minus 1. 16 minus 1, 15. X square is 15. Then how much x square? Transpose to opposite side. Become as square root. So we got x, that is third side of the triangle. What is his question? Cot B. What is the formula for cot B? Did you remember in the first video of the trigonometry I already explained cot B reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Cot means adjacent by opposite side. So here cot B is adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? B. Adjacent basing on B. Adjacent is 1. Opposite means AC. Just now you got x value. How much it is? Root 15. So 1 by root 15 is the answer. Did you understand? I hope you are clear. Yeah, we'll see the next question. Yeah, if P is P into 2 sine 30 by 1 minus sine square 30 is equal to Q into 2 sine 30 by 1 plus sine square 30. Okay, already these values you learn in trigonometric table. Second video of the trigonometry already I explained how easy the table. I explained in the previous video. Without fail, you will check it for remembering these all the values. How easy it is, you'll understand. Now come to this one. So here P into 2 sine 30, sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2. So I am substituting 1 by 2 by 1 minus sine square 30. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to q into 2 into sine 30. 1 by 2 by 1 plus sine square 30. 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4. In the first step, just you substituted the values. Sine 30 means 1 by 2. That one you substituted in his question. Now, did you observe any cancellations? Yes, we can cancel 2 and 2. Even though here 2 and 2. So, the numerator we are not having any problem. Numerator is 1. P into numerator is only 1. But come to denominator, between the fractions, you observed it's a negative symbol. Either minus or plus. You have to go for LCM. What is the LCM of these denominators? That is product of denominators. That means it is 4. Okay, so here cross product 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 4. Q into here also numerator is 1. Yeah, product of denominators as LCM, cross product, but 4 plus 1 is 5. Is 5. Just you substituted the values and little simplification, so you have to finish it. Yes, we finished. P into numerator is 1, that is fixed. Denominator you have 3 by 4. Between the fractions, any division symbol is there. First fraction as it is. Second fraction you have to write reciprocals. Reciprocals, already I explained fraction simplification video very clearly. How can we add fractions, how can we subtract, how can we multiply, and how can we divide the fractions in easy way. So that is not only 4th and 5th classes, up to higher classes we had to perfect the simplifications of fractions. That is equal to q into numerator is as it is, denominator 5 by 4. 4 by 5. I wrote the reciprocal. So here 1 into 4 is 4. P is at numerator. So 4P by 3 is equal to 4Q by 5. Clear? Do you have any doubt in this one? Just I multiplied the numerators. Nothing is new. Okay, nothing is new. 4P by 3 is equal to 4Q by 5. Here 4 4s are cancelled. 4 is at numerator both the sides. If I transport this 4 to that side by 4, we can go for the cancellation. So here I want P is to Q. P is to Q is nothing but P by Q. Division ratio both are same only. Okay, P is here only. I want to take QB this side. That is at numerator when I am transposing denominator. These denominator I am transposing to that side. Here division I transpose. Multiplication it be at numerator. Now division is nothing but ratio. Then P is to Q is equal to 3 is to 5. Understand? I hope you are clear. Okay, here these two questions they already given in betterment exam. So when the question are in previous board exam, we little concentrate. Don't leave it. Concentrate on that. Okay. Did you remember the formulas? In the first video of the trigonometry, I already explained. Sin theta. What is the formula? Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Did you remember the reciprocal of sine? What is reciprocal of sine? Reciprocal of sine is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant theta. What is reciprocal of cos? Yes. What is reciprocal of cos? Reciprocal of cos is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Okay, I hope you remember these all the things. See the next one. If sin a plus 2b is equal root 3 by 2, cos a plus 4b is equal 0, then find the values of a and b. See the first one. Sin a plus b, sin a plus 2b is equal to root 3 by 2. In sin, when can you get root 3 by 2? Then immediately you have to remind once the trigonometric table. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, you have to write it sin 60. Okay, this side you have in science means other side also you have to write it sine. Okay, then you have to think about science. We have to get it the cancel. A plus 2b is equal to 60. It is the first equation. Both the sides, when are you getting science? Can think it, can imagine you have to cancel the signs, but don't do cancellation mathematically. That is wrong. Yeah, directly we can't go for the cancellation of sign. In intermediate, you will learn that thing. Sign, when we transpose to opposite side, it will become a sign inverse. Like that, something we have to do. Okay, just we have to imagine both sides we have signs. So it will be cancelled. Then a plus 2b is equal to 60. Okay, first thing is completed. Then come to the second one. What he given? Cos a plus 4b is equal to 0. 0. Here we have in cos. So this side also you have to write it in terms of cos. Cos, when will you get cos is 0? Can think sin 0 is 0. When are you writing in the reverse manner? Cos 90 is 0. So 0 means cos 90. Cos 90. Just you have to imagine both sides cos are cancelled. Then what is the answer? A plus 4b is equal to 90. We got two equations. Did you understand? You have the two equations. Now we want the values of A and B. How can you get A and B? Here, did you observe any of the common letters? Yes, we observed A, which is in first equation and second equation also. How can we get the cancellation? By subtracting A minus A. We'll cancel. So, I want to go for subtraction 2 minus 1. Why? Because second equation is greater than the first equation. So, I want to subtract it second equation minus sin a plus 2b is equal root 3 by 2. In sin, when will you get root 3 by 2? Once you will remind the trigonometric table. Okay, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So sin a plus 2b is equal to sin 60. Both are sines. So just we have to imagine, can cancel sines. Then a plus 2b is equal to 60. Like that cos also, cos a plus 4b is equal to 0. In cos, when will you get 0? Cos 90 is 0. Okay, both sides you have the cos. So can imagine the cancel the cos, but directly don't do cos. Why? Because in intermediate you will learn that things. Cos, when you transpose to opposite side, cos inverse, it's inverse trigonometry. That is extension of trigonometry. Directly we can't cancel sines or cos. Just you have to imagine, we have to cancel it sines or cos. Then a plus 4b is equal to 90. So we see here you have to cancel either a or b. But by see here in the first equation you have a and the second equation also you have a. So I want to subtract it. A minus a cancel. 4b minus 2b is 2b. 90 minus 60 is 30. What you want? B want. With B, which number you observed? It's 2. What operation is going on? It's multiplication. So transpose to opposite side, it become as division. B is equal to 15. We got the value of B. How much it is? 15. I want the value of A. So substitute B value in equation 1. A plus 2B is equal to 60. A we had to find. 2 into B means it is 15 is equal to 60. So A plus 30 is equal to 60. I want the value of A plus 30. Transpose to opposite side minus 30. So B value you got it's 50 and A value you got it is 30. Did you understand? Like that you will get the values of A and B which is 200% sure in board exam. 200%. If you want, can check the all previous board papers like these questions every time they'll give. Even though in betterment exam 2 days before CBSE second board exam it's completed, they given these both questions. What I explained the previously two questions, that too also they given in the betterment exam. That means in exam papers they given the trigonometric sum, which sums they are given. Just only that one I am explaining here. Let's come to the next question. If tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1, then prove tan A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to root 2 by 4. Just you have to substitute the value of tan A. Tan A means how much? Root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus tan square A. Tan A means how much? Root 2 minus 1 whole square. So numerator is same, root 2 minus 1. Denominator, by seeing this, I hope you will get the formula. What is that? A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A square root 2 square. Means square and root will cancel 2. A square plus B square plus 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 2AB minus 2AB. 2 into root 2 into 1. 2 root 2. 2 root 2. That is equal to root 2 minus 1 by all the constants can 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2 root 2. Okay, most of the students they will mistake and 4 minus 2. They will feel that is 2. They will write 2 root 2 which is 100% wrong. We can't simplify one rational number, one irrational number. We never simplify the rational and irrational. Okay, don't do that mistake. 4 minus 2 we can't cancel which is completely wrong. 4 is rational number. 2 root 2 is irrational number. We can't simplify one rational and one irrational. So what can we? We can't simplify. But did you observe any common thing? Yes, 2 table has this 4 and 2 table has these 2. So 2 I am taking as common. How many times of 2 you will get 4? 2 times. Here 2 as a common thing. So root 2. Root 2. Now, so numerator as it is root 2 minus 1, denominator 2. 2. Can I write root 2 square? Yes, we can. Minus root 2. Why I wrote 2 as root 2 square? I want to take it root 2 as a common thing. That's what. So numerator as it is root 2 minus 1. Denominator already 2 is there. From these two terms I want to take root 2 as a common factor. Yes, root 2 is common. So root 2 square out of 2 root 2's. 1 root 2 is common. One more root 2 is left. Minus root 2 as a common factor. Already we wrote outside. So here nothing is there. That means it's 1. Numerator root 2 minus 1. Denominator root 2 minus 1. Clear. So what is the answer? In numerator nothing is there. That means it is 1. 2 root 2. Okay. But rationalize the denominator. Whenever you have irrational number at denominator place, immediately you have to rationalize. How can you rationalize? Here in denominator you observe root 2. You have to multiply with one more root 2 at numerator and denominator. Root 2 into root 2. So in numerator 1 into root 2, how much? Anything is multiplied with 1 will get the same answer. That means root 2 by 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2 that is equal to root 2 by 4. You want to prove this thing. Tan A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to root 2 by 4. Understand? I hope you are clear. So in this class I explained 4 questions which they given in betterment exam. That means how important they are. You will be understand trigonometry. Before going to this one, once you will be checking the introduction of trigonometry and trigonometric table, which I already explained in the previous videos. So can check it once for revising the topic continuously. Trigonometry is not only in 10th class and the 9th class, in the coming classes in inter plus 1 plus 2 is also so important. Okay. I hope you have to revise all the questions, these on table and the formulas, everything revise it properly. I hope you are clear. Okay. I hope you are clear and share, like and subscribe. Thank you.